Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today we're talking about 13 of the best companion plants for cucumbers. Plants that will help your cucumbers grow healthier, taste better, and stay pest-free. Stick around till the end, and I'll share some plants you should never plant near cucumbers. Let's get started. Companion planting is an easy and natural way to boost your garden's health. Some plants repel pests, while others improve the soil or attract pollinators. Here are the best flowers that help cucumbers. First, nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are excellent companion plants for cucumbers because they act as a natural pest deterrent while also attracting beneficial insects. Their bright flowers lure pollinators like bees, which help improve cucumber yields. At the same time, nasturtiums repel common cucumber pests such as aphids, whiteflies, and cucumber beetles by releasing a natural chemical that these insects dislike. Additionally, nasturtiums can serve as a trap crop, attracting aphids away from cucumbers and keeping the main crop healthier. Their sprawling growth also provides ground cover, helping to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. With their dual role in pest control and pollination support, nasturtiums are a valuable addition to any cucumber garden. 2. Marigolds. Marigolds are fantastic companion plants for cucumbers because they naturally repel pests and improve soil health. Their strong scent deters harmful insects like aphids, whiteflies, and cucumber beetles, reducing the risk of infestations without the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, marigolds help control soil-dwelling pests such as nematodes, which can damage cucumber roots. Their bright flowers also attract pollinators, boosting cucumber production. As a bonus, marigolds are low maintenance and thrive in various conditions, making them an easy and effective addition to any cucumber garden. By planting marigolds alongside cucumbers, gardeners create a healthier, more resilient growing environment. Now let's turn our attention to herbs that can boost cucumber growth. 3. Dill. Dill is a great companion plant for cucumbers because it attracts beneficial insects while also repelling harmful pests. Its delicate flowers lure pollinators like bees, which help improve cucumber yields, as well as predatory insects such as ladybugs and parasitic wasps that feed on aphids, spider mites, and cucumber beetles. Additionally, dill's aromatic properties naturally deter pests that might otherwise damage cucumber plants. Some gardeners also believe that dill enhances the flavor and growth of cucumbers when planted nearby. However, it's best to let dill reach maturity before planting it too close to cucumbers, as young dill can sometimes stunt cucumber growth. With its ability to support a healthy and pest-resistant garden, dill is a valuable addition to any cucumber patch. 4th, basil. Basil is an excellent companion plant for cucumbers because it helps repel harmful insects while enhancing the overall health of the garden. Its strong aroma deters common cucumber pests like aphids, thrips, and whiteflies, reducing the risk of infestations without the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, basil attracts pollinators, which can improve cucumber production. Some gardeners also believe that planting basil near cucumbers enhances their flavor and overall growth. Since basil has shallow roots, it doesn't compete with cucumbers for nutrients, making it an ideal companion. By incorporating basil into a cucumber garden, you create a healthier, more pest-resistant growing environment while also gaining a fresh herb for culinary use. Oregano. Oregano is a fantastic companion plant for cucumbers because its strong scent naturally repels pests, helping to protect cucumber plants from harmful insects like aphids and cucumber beetles. As a low-growing herb, oregano also acts as a living mulch, helping to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, which benefits cucumber growth. Additionally, oregano attracts beneficial insects such as bees and predatory wasps, which aid in pollination and pest control. Since it is a hardy and drought-tolerant herb, oregano requires minimal maintenance while contributing to a healthier, more resilient garden. By planting oregano near cucumbers, gardeners can enjoy both improved cucumber health and a fresh, flavorful herb for culinary use. Let's move on to vegetables that support cucumbers. 6. Radishes. Radishes make excellent companion plants for cucumbers because they act as a natural pest deterrent and help improve soil conditions. One of their biggest benefits is serving as a trap crop, attracting cucumber beetles away from cucumbers and reducing pest damage. Radishes grow quickly and can be planted around cucumber plants to loosen the soil, allowing better root development and water absorption. Additionally, since radishes mature rapidly, they can be harvested before cucumbers start to spread, making them an efficient use of garden space. Their ability to repel pests and enhance soil health makes radishes a smart and beneficial companion for cucumbers. 7. Beans and peas. Beans and peas make excellent companion plants for cucumbers because they improve soil fertility by fixing nitrogen, an essential nutrient that promotes healthy cucumber growth. As legumes, they work with beneficial bacteria in the soil to convert nitrogen from the air into a usable form, enriching the soil and reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Additionally, beans and peas have a vining growth habit that complements cucumbers. When grown on a trellis, they provide light shade that helps prevent cucumber plants from overheating. Their ability to boost soil nutrients while supporting a balanced garden ecosystem makes beans and peas valuable companions for cucumbers. 8. Lettuce. Lettuce makes an excellent companion plant for cucumbers because it thrives in the cool, shaded areas beneath cucumber vines, taking advantage of the space without competing for nutrients. With its shallow root system, lettuce does not interfere with cucumber roots, allowing both plants to grow harmoniously. Additionally, lettuce acts as a ground cover, helping to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, which benefits cucumber plants by keeping the soil cooler and reducing competition for resources. The cucumber vines, in turn, provide shade for lettuce, helping it thrive in warmer weather and preventing it from bolting too soon. This combination makes lettuce a practical and space-efficient companion for cucumbers in the garden. 9. Onions. Onions are great companion plants for cucumbers because they help repel pests that commonly affect cucumbers, such as aphids, spider mites, and cucumber beetles. The strong smell of onions acts as a natural deterrent to these harmful insects, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, onions have shallow roots, so they don't compete with cucumbers for nutrients, making them a perfect partner in the garden. The space between the onion plants can also help increase air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. By planting onions alongside cucumbers, gardeners can create a more pest-resistant and healthier growing environment for their cucumber plants. 10. Carrots. Carrots make excellent companion plants for cucumbers because their deep, slender roots help aerate the soil, promoting better root development for cucumbers. As cucumbers grow, their large vines provide natural shade for the carrots, which helps keep the soil cool and reduces the risk of the carrots becoming tough or woody. Carrots and cucumbers also complement each other by occupying different soil layers, with carrots growing deeper and cucumbers spreading outward, thus minimizing competition for nutrients. Additionally, carrots do not attract pests that commonly affect cucumbers, making them a low-maintenance and effective partner in the garden. By planting these two crops together, gardeners can maximize space while promoting a healthier, more productive garden. Let's now concentrate on tall plants for shade and support for cucumbers. 11th. Corn. Corn makes a great companion plant for cucumbers because its tall stalks provide natural shade and support for cucumber vines to climb. This helps cucumbers grow vertically, saving valuable garden space and preventing them from spreading out too much on the ground. The shade from the corn also helps keep the soil cooler, which is especially beneficial for cucumbers during hot summer months, reducing the risk of overheating. Additionally, corn and cucumbers have complementary growth habits, with corn's deep roots and cucumbers' shallow roots allowing both plants to thrive without competing for the same nutrients. This symbiotic relationship makes corn a perfect partner, offering both structural support and a more favorable growing environment for cucumbers. 12. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are excellent companion plants for cucumbers because they provide natural support and shade. Their tall, sturdy stems act as a trellis for cucumber vines to climb, promoting vertical growth and saving space in the garden. This helps cucumbers grow more efficiently and can lead to higher yields. Additionally, sunflowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, which improve cucumber pollination. The large sunflower leaves also provide some shade for cucumbers, protecting them from the harsh midday sun and helping to keep the soil cooler, which is beneficial during hot weather. With their ability to support cucumber vines, attract pollinators, and enhance garden aesthetics, Sunflowers are a fantastic companion for cucumbers. 13. Celery. Celery makes a great companion plant for cucumbers because it helps deter pests while benefiting from the space cucumbers provide. Celery has a natural ability to repel pests like whiteflies, which can damage cucumber plants, reducing the need for chemical pest control. Additionally, celery has shallow roots, which means it won't compete with cucumbers for nutrients, making it an ideal plant to grow alongside them. The vertical growth of celery allows cucumbers to spread out and cover the ground, helping to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Furthermore, the combination of cucumber vines and celery can help create a more diverse and resilient garden ecosystem, improving the health and productivity of both plants. 14. Mint. Bonus tip. Mint makes a great companion plant for cucumbers because it helps repel pests that commonly affect cucumber plants, such as aphids, cucumber beetles, and ants. Its strong, aromatic scent acts as a natural insect deterrent, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, mint attracts beneficial insects like bees, which help with cucumber pollination. Mint also helps with weed suppression by growing densely, creating a natural ground cover that keeps weeds at bay. However, mint can be invasive, so it's best to plant it in containers or confined areas to prevent it from overtaking the garden. When managed properly, mint can be a valuable companion for cucumbers, providing both pest control and additional benefits for your garden. But before you go planting, here are a few plants you should never grow near cucumbers. Potatoes do not make good companion plants for cucumbers because they compete for similar nutrients in the soil, which can stunt the growth of both crops. Additionally, potatoes are susceptible to pests like aphids and the Colorado potato beetle, which can also affect cucumbers. Growing them together increases the risk of pest infestations and can lead to poor yields for both plants. For healthier growth and better results, it's best to keep cucumbers and potatoes separate in the garden. Sage also does not make a good companion plant for cucumbers because it can stunt the growth of cucumbers. The strong aroma of sage can interfere with the cucumber plant's development, potentially reducing yields. Additionally, sage may attract pests that could harm cucumbers, creating a less than ideal growing environment. To ensure healthy cucumber growth, it's best to avoid planting sage near cucumbers in the garden. Finally, melons and squash do not make good companion plants for cucumbers as well, because they are prone to attracting the same pests, such as cucumber beetles and aphids, which can lead to pest infestations affecting all three crops. Additionally, melons and squash have similar growing requirements and can compete with cucumbers for space, sunlight, and nutrients, potentially hindering their growth. To avoid these issues and promote healthier plants, it's best to keep cucumbers separate from melons and squash in the garden. And that's it. 13 amazing companion plants for your cucumbers. Which ones are you planting this season? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a gardening tip. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the top 25 companion plants to naturally get rid of pests.